Hello, welcome back to my channel Fun with Learn by Deepa. Today we will see speech about National Science Day. Respected dignitaries and my dear friends, today I invite you not to listen to a speech but to witness the power of science that shapes our every breath and every breakthrough. Good morning, respected principal, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. Today, I stand before you not just to speak about science, but to celebrate a force that quality shapes our lives every single moment. A force that turns curiosities into discovery, imaginations into innovations, and questions into progress. That force in science. National Science Day is observed on 28 February to honor the remarkable discovery of the Raman effect by the legendary Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman. His achievement was not merely a scientific breakthrough, it was a declaration to the world that India can think, explore, and innovate. Science is not confined to laboratories, formulas, or textbooks. It lives in the glow of a bulb, the speed of the internet, the miracle of medicine, and the dreams of space exploration. Science is the art of asking why and the courage to search for the answer. A scientific mind does not blindly believe, it observes, analyzes, and proves. It rejects fear and embraces logic. It displayed superstition with understanding and ignorance with enlightenment. Today's students are not just learners, they are the future innovators, researchers, and innovators of tomorrow. The next great discovery may come from a classroom, a small experiment, or even a simple question asked with courage. Let us promise ourselves today to think fearlessly, to question intelligently, and to innovate relentlessly, because the nation that respects science progress. The youth that believes in science leads, and the society that adopts science transforms. Let us not just study science, let us live it. Jai Vigyan, Jai